for IELTS or for any other academic writing. Maybe is a bit informal. You can change it to perhaps meeting, assembly, mild, gentle, misery, distress, movie, film, native, local, necessary, essential, near, close, new, recent, nice, pleasant, noon, midday, notify, inform, numerous, many, odd, strange, old, mature, outgoing, friendly, overlook, miss, oversee, surprise, perception, insight, perfect, flawless, praise, compliment, provide, supply, quack, tremble, quite, fairly, raise, left, real, genuine, receive, get, regret, remorse, reliable, dependable, remark, comment, renew, resume, respond, reply, wrist, relax, rich, wealthy, rock, stone, rude, impolite. I hope you like this video, and it's all about synonyms, and you can use them in your IELTS exam or anywhere. Thank you very much for watching. If you like it, please thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends.